Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about one of tropical Asia's most charming birds, the scarlet-backed flowerpecker. With its vibrant red back, this small bird is a true jewel of nature, catching the eye of any observer lucky enough to spot it. Its delicate size and striking colors make it stand out among the dense vegetation of forests, gardens, and urban areas. The scarlet-backed flowerpecker is known for its intense red feathers that cover the upper part of its body, while the rest is covered in a subtle bluish grey. This combination of colours makes this bird unmistakable. They are small, measuring around 3.5 to 3.9 inches, but despite their size, they are very active birds, often seen jumping from branch to branch in search of nectar, small fruits and insects. This species is native to Southeast Asia, found mainly in countries such as Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and parts of India. Its habitat is very diverse, and it can be seen in forests, riverbanks, urban parks, and even in residential gardens. The scarlet-backed flowerpecker is a restless bird, always on the move, which makes it a little difficult to spot. Its song is soft, made up of a rapid sequence of high, thin notes, which often gives away its presence before it is even seen. Later in the video, you can hear the song of this incredible species, captured directly in its natural habitat. Watching birds like the scarlet-backed flowerpecker reminds us of the diversity and beauty of nature. Each bird, with its unique behavior and vibrant colors, brings a sense of peace and connection with the world around us. The practice of birdwatching goes far beyond the simple act of seeing them. It is an invitation to learn more about ecosystems and the importance of preserving these rich environments. Let's continue to appreciate and protect our birds, because in doing so we are preserving an essential part of life on Earth. If you liked how I presented this video, like, comment and share. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe and enjoy the content. Thanks for watching.